Good morning, Kodak. Tired too. Good morning. I survived the night. So tired. Kodak survived. I'll be you in the morning. I turned the light off. That's why. Oh my gosh. Oh gosh. I was not restful sleep. Noisy and my teeth were bothering me, but it was good. Made it. And there's a little bug right here. Kodak is ready to get out. Kodak, we did it. Went the whole night. Feel the same way. You did a great job protecting all night. Top security. I can't stop yawning. So cute. Oh, you did such a great job. You earned a big breakfast. Not too busy working at people. You tired? I gotta feed it to you now. Take a nap, Kodak. Take a little nap. Nope. So overall, I'm really happy I did this. The night was a little tough because people were noisy and then driving in at maybe like 2 a.m. But it was good. I almost thought I wouldn't be able to do this because I was having a lot of dental issues. Got some teeth pulled and I got some dry socket. They're still going on, still painful. But like a friend of mine said, if you're gonna be in pain at home, you could be pain somewhere else, doing something fun. Thanks to all my friends, family, loved ones, everybody online who inspired me to do this, encouraged me, and supported me, and talked to me a lot while I was out here. It's my mom, and for the coloring book, that was so much fun. And thanks to my family for being there. Everybody sent lots of pics, and they sent pics of them having fun. My mom was up on me all night. And thank you, everybody. Carlos, my husband, who said he would come over here anytime at night. He's only 8 minutes away from home. And the kids, who kept saying I could do it. Thanks to everybody. It was fun. I want to do it again. I rented. We had to do 2 nights, but I'm only gonna stay one because my husband's working tomorrow. I don't want to have the kids home alone. So, and I don't want to go back too early in the morning. So later on today, they're gonna come pick me up just like they dropped me off, and I'm gonna show them around. I'll show them my tent. Next to a road. And then soon, solo camping for my husband's coming up. And I'm gonna see if there's any more weekends available in the summer. I can do it again, or I'll do it in the fall. It was good. I encourage you to do it too. It might be a little scary, it might be a challenge, might even be a little annoying with people. But the nature, fresh air, the animals, the water, getting out with your pet, it's worth it. Go for a walk soon. Let him take a nap. This was the extra tent just to make it look like I wasn't alone. My husband had bought this 1-person tent. I don't know if I put it together wrong, but this looks so tiny. Let's see. Oh, it has a window though. That's nice. I don't think I could handle being in here. Just this little space with the dog. I mean, I could, but wouldn't want to. Oh, look at that. This is not too bad inside. Like the size of like a fold-away bed. Doable. Well, I mean, in the wintertime, gotta be nice and warm. Zipper's already getting stuck. Got it. I mean, if you're one person alone, you don't mind having less space. This one I got from Amazon. I did a whole bunch of research forever trying to find one with good reviews that didn't leak. I like this because it opens on both sides, so in emergency, there's a bear on this side, I could jump out this side, or a crazy axe murderer this side, I could jump out the other side. I was disappointed though, no windows. I mean, this counts as a window, both sides, so I just left the flaps open, which would probably be really good in the wintertime. Keep me nice and warm, but then I also wouldn't be able to see out at all if I needed to. I have to open the whole thing. Well, I have my trail camera outside. Anyway, just in case I hear something, I could turn on and watch it live. It was a good buy. I don't even know the name of the brand of it. I guess I'll write that in when I see the name of it. I'll write that in the description. I'm not seeing it right now. It was a good buy. Good amount of space for me and the dog, but it was so weird that, I mean, my feet are touching. I was touching the bottom and I got my foot fell asleep. I mean, I could have moved up a little bit, but I don't want my head like right against here in case a bear comes by. And it was weird. I guess like put my hand up in the air and almost touched the ceiling. I'm 5'5", so I can imagine somebody taller would have a hard time. But it's a quick setup. Well, for people who know what they're doing better than me. It took me a while. Next time it won't. Hopefully. And the bathroom's always super convenient because I'm not going to be walking through the woods. Well, it wouldn't be such a long walk. Anyway, I'm not going to want to bring the dog in there. So, that's the tent. I was mentioning this is the trail camera. I could watch live video if you get an app on your phone and it saves the video. So nothing came last night. No motion triggers. Could charge it. And this was like 45 or something around there on Amazon. Now it just went up to 70 because I wanted to get another one. Not anymore. I'll put the name of it in the description too. They don't put names on anything anymore, which is really good. So if ever I heard something outside I want to check without going out, turn on my app, connect to it. It needs a Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, all that, but as long as your phone has it, you're good. Or you could even just watch it later. Very helpful. And this standing light is the best light ever. The price went up on Amazon, but just like $50. I think now you could turn it. This thing lasts all night, and I didn't need any other light. Very good. I gotta put all the names for these things in the description. Very good. Here I go, Doug. You exhausted? You should have a built-in pillow on your head. For a nice little walk. Taking our time today. The mic is on the set. You're gonna inhale all the ants. I'm gonna walk around trying to get pictures of every campsite, so we know which ones to book in the future. It's bad the season ends in October. This is the path that we have for 25. The bathroom. Yep. Butterfly.